I want to bring in Jim Yin. He's the financial services technology analyst with Standard & Poor's with more on this. And Jim, were you surprised that Microsoft came in with these numbers?
Well, I think results from Intel kind of indicate that PC demand was very strong, so we expected that, but Microsoft came even higher than we expected. Again, it's not only just the consumer, but they're also seeing some pickup in business trying to upgrade their aging PCs.
Right, but you kind of got this hint, didn't you, from the results coming out from Intel and from Apple?
Yeah, I think we did. I think, as I mentioned, we did get a hint that things would be pretty good, but this was even a little better than we from the expectations.
And the stock right now in the pre-market up a little less than 1% right now. Is that an indication at all, though, Jim, to you that investors, while they see that software demand is rising, they're just not yet willing to put their money into a stock that is still struggling on the mobile front and maybe struggling on tablet computers?
Yeah, I think unfortunately that even though Microsoft's doing well in its core business, I think investors probably focusing on things that Microsoft are struggling, which is mobile devices. And I think they're basically, in the way it's pricing the stock, it's almost discounted that this company will never come back in these areas. So they are struggling, but I think, again, that you never know about these areas.
Well, I mean, and Ballmer himself, Steve Ballmer, said, "Look, we missed this whole mobile phone cycle."
Well, that's true. I think they are struggling, but again, I'd like to remind the viewers that this is a very fast, dynamic market space. That market share can change drastically. So
right. Well, yeah, I mean, when one can fall behind, then about a few years later, they can come out ahead. So that's the nature of technology and the technology companies. Jim, we're out of time, but thank you so much for joining us. I appreciate it. Jim Yin of Standard & Poor's Financial Services.